you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a LookFantastic beauty box for June. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so June's LookFantastic beauty box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, LookFantastic, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, this month the box looks really pretty with the different colored design on it. So I'm loving the box, which you guys know I always keep because they're constructed so well. They're great for storage or anything to reuse the boxes. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going to be in June's box. When you first open it up, there's a brochure with this gorgeous woman right on the top. And then that's what it looks like down inside when you remove the seal. And you get a little sneak peek to the inside of the goodies is right there. So let's go ahead and see. Ooh, something smells good. I got a little whiff of something that smelled good out of that box. So down inside of here, we'll go over a lot of useful information that you can go over. And then in the very beginning, it will go over each individual item. Now, this one does not give the pricing, but it will give more information about which item is in here and if you want to get more information about it. So let's go ahead and go with the first item that we saw right on top, which is this guy right here. And it says a gentle facial buffer. What is it? An exfoliating pad from award-winning environmentally responsible brand SMILE. Great for all skin types, this pad helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells, as well as aiding in the absorption of skin products. How to use: dampen with warm water and squeeze your favorite body wash onto the pad. Gently rub all over your body in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. The backside does have like a little like elastic little piece for you to keep your hands. So when you're going around in your circular motions, you can hold tight to your little gentle buffer. It says completely recyclable packaging as well. That's good. The company even pays attention to the packaging that they put it in. So it's all 100% recyclable for the packaging. So there is the first item right there, which is a body buffer. All right, you guys, so now we're going to have, it says Dr. Lip Tint, 100% natural, superfood red radish pigment. So there's that guy. This says it's a hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of color, with a 100% natural ingredients list for a softer pout. How to use: smooth into your lips throughout the day as often as needed. Apply to the cheeks and or eyelids for a glossy pop of color. And you guys know I'm not really into like the tinted type of products, so I always save these for you guys. So I will set this aside in my giveaway pile to pass that down to one of you that would like a little pop of color on your lips. I'm a boring bitch. I don't really wear much on my lips. But I definitely save these for you guys. So then the next item in here, it's a Philip Kingsley Styling Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. That is a really good brand. This right here is a frizz fighting serum to condition, protect, and help style the hair. Packaged in a bioplastic bottle made from sugarcane, 100% recyclable, and manufactured in a sustainable, ethical way. Vitamins B5, vitamin A, and citric acid. Apply a small amount to mid-length and ends on towel-dried hair. Dry and style as required. So you have a little frizz fighting serum, and again, that's a really good brand, so I'm excited to try that out. Then we have is Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. What is it? A lightweight, milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF, and even eye makeup for a complexion that is left calmer, clearer, and brighter thanks to this signature bioactive pre- and probiotic complex. Designed to strengthen the skin's delicate barrier while also gently exfoliating. Massage into damp skin until makeup is fully broke down. Rinse with warm water and follow with your favorite moisturizer. So there is that. You have a milk cleanser to clean your face. Now we have is this little guy here. I was thinking, is this an eye cream? And it is, because how little. It's ESPA 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. What is it? A deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective kind to skin ingredients to replenish, protect, and soothe your delicate eye area. Evening primrose and jojoba oil work together to intensely moisturize for eyes that appear refreshed and youthful. How to use: gently tap a small amount under your eyes and up to your brow bone every morning and evening after cleansing. So that is a good size for an eye serum, so you can test it out because you only need a little bit, a little dabble, do ya? And then the last item in here, you guys, is this right here. And this is the Rituals. And this is a mild body scrub. I'm actually excited to see this because any of their body washes I really like. So this is a mild body scrub. And it says relax. And it says what? Sacred Lotus and Jujube? Juju on the beat. This right here says, what is it? A exfoliating body scrub composed of ultrafine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells while giving you the most relaxing bathing experience. Formulated with active ingredients that are suitable on even the most sensitive skin areas, such as neck and cleavage. So massage into damp skin in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. Follow up with a moisturizer for extra smoothness. This container, something in here really smells good. I just don't know. This one does not have a safety seal, so is it you? Oh yeah, that does smell good. Sacred Lotus, Jujube, Shea Butter, Coconut Oil. That smells really good. I don't like using the ones with little particles on my face. I just, for some reason, cannot stand it, especially near my hairline. So all of these I use as like a body scrub, like my legs, my arms, that kind of thing. So I'm definitely going to be trying that out. So that is everything that came in the June Look Fantastic beauty box. So going over the items one more time, we have a body wash. We have a gentle facial buffer. You have an eye cream. There's a lip tint, a face cleanser, oop, dropped one, and a product for your hair to keep it soft and frizz free. So that is everything for this particular box, you guys. If you do want a little bit more information about Look Fantastic, I will let you know right about now. If you just do month to month, this box is $19 per box with free international shipping. If you go to 3 months, it'll bring it down to $18 per box. If you go to 6, it'll bring it down to $17. And if you go big and go home to the 12-month subscription, you get it for $16 per box with free shipping. If you do follow the link down below, that'll give you your very first box for only $1 on the 12-month subscription. Every month you will get 6 beauty products with a guaranteed worth of over $60, a beauty experience that covers cult favorites to trending beauty brands. Discover your Look Fantastic beauty box today. And being an actual monthly subscriber to Look Fantastic, you get a little perk because Look Fantastic always has tons of limited edition boxes. They have holiday boxes, advent calendars, and you will find out about them before anybody else. You get it cheaper being a subscriber, and you get to pre-order it sooner than anyone normally that doesn't have a subscription. So there's always perks about being a Look Fantastic customer. So there's that. You guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that came in this box? I'm super excited to try out this and the eye cream for sure. This face cleanser is good, and then the hair thing, actually, I want to see if that will work because there is so much humidity in this area here in Florida that would be nice to kind of tame down some frizz. So I'm actually excited about pretty much everything in here, and this will go to one of you guys. So there you go. Comment down below. Again, let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.